Mr. Ankit Kumar is here, and today we will solve a lead code problem number 387. First, unique character in a string. First of all, we will understand very deeply what question wants to tell us. Okay, in question we have to give an a string s. Okay, this string s, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. Means find the first non-repeating character, means find which letter that is only once time in this string, only once times, and then we have to return its index of that letter that will be find in once times and first one times it means in list index. Okay, and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. Okay, so we have to approach here that we have to count number of characters in string s. So that approach will be revised here of back questions approach, previous question approach. So first of all we will create int frequency. Okay, in frequency 26 26 in frequency equal to 26, and then we will run a for loop int I is equal to 0 and I less than will be s dot size I plus plus, then we have to count frequency s string I minus character a, then it will be plus plus, so it will be count. And after that, if we have to write here condition, if mm, if frequency I character a will be equal to 1, then we have to return I index, okay, of that first character that will be present in string only one time, and otherwise we have to return -1. Okay, so we have to run this solution and we have wrong answer. And what is the reason of wrong answer? We have to apply here int frequency. Okay, this is the reason of wrong answer. Frequency, not frequency of ith index of frequency, ith index of s string. Okay, then it will be here character a, and now it will be right because here is not any issue. Plus plus here main steps of this problem is this. Here is main logic, and is logic that this line will be count number of characters present in string s, and so, and this logic will be tells us, suppose we have only one character of in this string, and it means one character is equal to 1, any character who is equal to 1, then we have returned to this character index, that character's index. So we have to run this solution, and now we will see what we have done here. Currently it is, why it is wrong, giving answer wrong. One second, wait, please. For int I equal to I less than s dot size. Okay, see, right. And frequency s I index minus a. And if frequency as I minus a is equal to 1, and in this solution what is here, we have to be without scared to love lead code. Okay, output 0 means it is not king here. One second, wait, return I, and it will be run count, and if frequency I will be okay, return will be out of this loop, and here, and now we have to check frequency si minus a. Okay, plus. Okay, if frequency of equal to 1, then return index. Okay, but it will be not right. No, it's not possible. But what is the reason behind it? It has, okay, it is wrong. With frequency I plus and frequency return 0 is equal to 0 means frequency of si to 1 and only one time, and it means L. But okay, here is one problem. We have to remove this line from here. Okay, because of it will be return I when he has to seen first letter. Okay, we have to write it as well as like for loop again, and int I equal to 0 and I less than s dot size, and I plus. Okay. And after that we have to put it here, and now then it has checked. Here is main logic that why there was wrong 2 times after run, because of we have put this line there in this loop. and so there was, it has written only 0 index, and when l first time zeroth index will be count only one time, and that will return I, so that will be not considered right, and considered right will be first of all count how many letters present in string s. Okay, and after watch how many letters present, how many characters present in string s, then that's after it will be, after count whole characters present in string s, and after that it will be pursue to next on logic, this logic, that characters present in string s, which characters present in string s will be only one times, and only one times, so that will be equal to 1, only one times, it means that will be equal to 1, and then we have to return I of that character. Okay, so we, now I am saying you 110% this will be right, and acceptance will be right, no, without any fault, without any wrong answer, it will be 100% right, and this is 100% right, 110% right. So this was my solution of this problem. We have faced some issue because I have coded here and find solution just in front of to all of you. So we, I have also problem because I have not remembered this code, and I am representing in front of to all of you. So we have faced this issue. So thank you. This is solution of problem number 387. So thank you to all of you.